What's up, guys? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum and basically the amazing tear that it's been on recently. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you for everyone for their support, the likes, the subs, Patreon and YouTube members, and all the amazing comments and sharing. This has not gone unnoticed by us, and we very, very much appreciate it. We're really trying to grow our community as much as we can, so please, if you haven't already, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and turn on all post notifications so you get notified of all of our videos. We're going to be releasing a lot more videos like this more often because a lot of people have been calling for technical analysis. So we're probably going to do 2 or 3 of these videos a day from now on. So if that's something you're interested in, please make sure to follow the channel. If you want to support the channel, please like, subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist, and let's begin. So as you can see on this chart, I've outlined some of the key areas recently that have been apparent. Obviously, in the past few weeks, there has been that large correction in the market, which saw Ethereum come down to do almost a retest of a double bottom here. But Ethereum didn't actually retrace as much as other cryptos, especially Bitcoin. And it seemed as though it held its price fairly well in these sorts of ranges between 21.68, which is this kind of place here where it kept bottoming and retesting, but it didn't seem to break through. And then afterwards, obviously, as we can see, I've marked out this channel here where Ethereum has been on an absolute tear recently. And this is most likely due to it breaking its all-time high. There's also been momentum with the whole of the Ethereum ecosphere doing extremely well in terms of transaction volume. There's been a huge amount of value locked in Ethereum DeFi now as well. So there's quite a lot of contributing factors to the fact that Ethereum is starting to do so well, along with the bullish sentiment about the fact that they're trying to upgrade their network, because if you know anything about Ethereum currently, you know that the fees are absolutely ridiculous. So as we can see, I marked out this channel yesterday in preparation for this video, and it seems as though Ethereum has actually broken out of this channel and ripped to the upside. Ever since it's gone past 3,000, which I marked here with this green support line, that may have been a point of resistance for people taking profits, but it seems as though it's been an absolute kickstarter for people who were thinking about getting into Ethereum for a nice little short position, because this is in and out position here. As you can see, you would have made a very nice gain on this. But basically, we can see the upward momentum for Ethereum increasing massively recently. And this is probably long overdue when we consider the amount of consolidation that happened for the past few months. And this is something that happened for a lot of smart contract platforms, Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, and Bitcoin to an extent as well. They all seem to consolidate, and they've been kind of ranging somewhat in the past few months, waiting for a clear breakout to the upside. But that seems as though that's something we found now. Ethereum did actually run up all the way up to $2,500 here, but for like the past month or so, for the past few weeks or so, sorry, it's actually been ranging quite significantly in this area while the market was uncertain. But it seems as though it's heading to the upside again now. And if I was to draw a macro trend line here, you could probably say that this is a fairly consistent base for the continuation of the price. And we think this is probably getting quite overextended now in terms of the short-term rally. This has basically ran from around $2,500 or so, $2,600, the previous all-time high, all the way up to $3,200. And the $700 increase for Ethereum is quite a significant amount, considering how much we've been consolidating and ranging recently. So I wouldn't be surprised if this price action kind of came back and retested these sorts of areas, this previous all-time high maybe in this level here, maybe comes back up, bounces around for a while, and then retest this and heads to the upside, because this is quite a significant rally, obviously, and we think that there probably is a chance that this could basically cool off for a while, because there's no way that price action like this can be sustained in the bull market, and it probably would be good to get a nice healthy correction out of this in the short term at least before we can move again to the upside. So what most likely I see happening is Ethereum could well come down and then form a bull pennant, something like this. The price action could come down into this range. God damn it. Let me get my actual tool. It might come down into this range like this, and then maybe test, consolidate, and then break out to the upside again, which is probably the most likely outcome that I see happening, because obviously this price action for Ethereum is amazing, but it's probably not sustainable. And as you can see, there's already been a small cooling off period here. The price action is actually starting to retrace, and some people are taking profits from this big run up. So price targets that we think for Ethereum in the short term, I definitely think that this will probably, it may continue to the upside depending on the momentum, but it's probably more likely that in fact the price action will probably retrace into these levels. Maybe it will retest this area here. So this line would be about apparent there. And then maybe it will come back and retest this all-time high here and maybe range around in this area between these lines before basically moving to the upside again. And that's probably what we think would be most likely for Ethereum, considering that it's ran up so much at the minute. It's most likely going to bounce back into this range and pull back and have a consolidation and then move to the upside. Or if the momentum is insane right now, it could most likely continue its run up here, maybe to 3.5K to 4K before having a cooling off period and having a ranging motion in this sort of area. So that's our thoughts on Ethereum today. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know in the comment section, because we're always interested to know what you think. We'd very much like to hear what you think about this, so please let us know. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, you can sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or you can sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, so please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get your 2 free stocks with Webull by depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can also please make sure to hit the like button, because it helps the channel out so much. So if you're a fan of the channel, please hit the like button now. Only around 10% of our viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community grow more, so please hit the big red subscribe button if you're a fan of the channel. And you can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. We're trying to grow a really valuable, useful resource for all community there, and we really believe that this is possible, so you can sign up to that. It's completely free, and it would really help us out and most likely help you out in the future once the community grows. So please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.